In this tutorial we're going to learn how to add a device or a Bluetooth module to your fireplace. We are in the zone screen because we've already created a zone. So let's click on the zone. Once you're in the zone screen, you'll see there's no devices added to the list at the moment. So on the top right hand corner, press the plus button. The app will scan for Bluetooth devices. In this instance, the Bluetooth is called MRT-1NEW125. Let's choose that one. Let's choose a name, model number. You can name your fireplace. I'll name mine living room. The serial number is optional and the company purchased from is optional. Now press connect. Once you press connect, you'll see the living room module appear in the list. Let's click on it. The app will now connect to the fireplace. As you can see, it's already connected. On the left hand side you have the controls temperature, which is the control module inside the fireplace. And the right hand side you have the current outside temperature. Down the bottom we have an on and an off button. The app knows the status of the fireplace and it's currently showing off. So let's turn it on. When you turn the fireplace on, there's an ignition sequence that's enabled. The app allows 40 seconds for that ignition sequence to start and complete. During that time you cannot touch any buttons on the app. The app will not allow any other functions to work until the 20 seconds at the moment is completed. If you press settings, you'll see that the app measures the millivolts of the fireplace. So at the moment the millivolts is climbing to 14 millivolts up to 15. So we now know the fireplace is on. As you can see, the app knows the fireplace is on and the on button is highlighted. I can now press the lower flame button, which is the arrow. I can press that, and when I want the flame to stop at a certain position, I press it again. The same for the up button. Let's press up. Press up and the up button will turn the flame high. So now if we turn the fireplace off, all we need to do is press the off button. The fireplace is now shutting down, and that's it. Thank you for watching.